we are going to be making little paper pumpkins for my grandma and to make decorations because she's in a hospital and we want her to have a nice decorated room. So let's get started. Okay guys, the first step is that to making your paper pumpkin, you're going to want to take an orange piece of paper and cut it into even strips this way. So it's like this way, like this, the long way. You need 4 strips. Okay, once we cut them all in even strips, you're going to want to line them up as a star. So first start with a plus, and then make 2 more there. It looks like a star, kind of. Then you're going to want to start gluing. Right in the middle. And then you're going to want to take another strip and just make it right in the middle where you were, like that. Keep layering it. Just tape, glue, and push it down, but not too hard because that will ruin it. Last one. Then you're going to want to fold them up and start making your pumpkin. So first, you're going to want to take these two, the opposite ends, and glue it like that. Put it like a round bump. And then take the other one. Here, let me get a little bit more glue on. Take the other one, the opposite one, and stick it on top. Okay guys, now that your strips were cut up and glued together, you're going to want to take a green pipe cleaner and take a pencil and wrap it around, or your finger. But I like to do my finger, a big one, the big one, my brother's finger. Just wrap it around. Then, I like to take it off. And then you're going to want to tape it to your pumpkin on the top to make a stem. Just like that. Okay guys, now that we finished our pumpkin, the last step is you're going to want to hang it up on your banister.